Hi guys, welcome back. Just a quick video. I got the Spellbinders February, I want to say February 2024 card kits. So I thought I'd run you through them because, you know, that's all I'm doing at the moment because I'm so far behind. Yes, this is the February 2024. So I may as well start with the large die of the month. That's the one I'm holding. And this one is the Floral Bunny Basket. Say that 3 times fast. And it creates this cute little bum and feet and ears of a bunny that looks like he's going into the basket. And then you've got different flowers and carrots and things. So you could fill them with one type of flower. You could fill them with, you know, just the carrots and the bunny or whatever it is, or a whole bunch of bunnies. But you could also use this basket at, say, Christmas time. You could put poinsettias in there. Halloween, you could put candy in it. Lots of things you can do with it. So I think it's a very cool one to have. And it will create a 5x7, big enough for that. But you can just shorten the, what's this called? The handle, so that it becomes short enough to go onto like a normal A5, no, A2 card front. But it's a very good size set of dies. So that's the large. The small die of the month is called, I don't know what it's called. I'm very organised, obviously. Rain Boot Bouquet. And this again is a very cute one. You've got a couple of little rain boots. Again, there's a variety of flowers, which obviously lends itself to sort of springy kind of thing, Easter, that kind of time of year. But you could easily, again, use these boots for anything. You could do them for a man's card, masculine, that's the word, card. You could use them, you know, again, use it as more of a Christmas thing. So you can make these look like Santa boots if you added some sort of white, like a fluffy kind of, I don't know what that stuff's called, on the top there, and make them sort of red and black. No, what colour are his boots? Oh, they're black boots. But you could make them more Christmassy themed, shall we say, and then have, again, poinsettias or anything Christmassy, candy canes, all sorts of things coming out of the boots instead of flowers. So when you see these kind of dies, think of the main sort of part of it, and then if there's florals or something like that, just think you can do whatever you want with them. It doesn't have to be florals. Or it could be different kinds of flowers that you might have for different times of the year. So the hot foil that we got this month was called, or the one that came with mine, because sometimes they vary, was called Champagne. So I don't have this colour. So it's kind of like a very pale gold. Champagne's kind of a good thing too, I'm just saying. So the Glimmer of the month is Daffodil Spray, and it's huge, guys. It's massive. Look at it. Like, there's my hand. Not that I have huge hands, but it's huge. And I think this will go, it will cover, I want to say it will cover an a 5x7 maybe, but it will definitely cover a an A2. You'll cover the whole front of it. And then you have 2 sentiments. One that says you brighten my day. Sorry, I can't read it backwards. And sending Easter blessings. And both of them have coordinating dies. So that for me is always a bonus with things like this, because I like having the dies to cut the sentiments out. And a lot of companies are doing that, not just for hot foil, but like for stamps as well. So those are the 3 kits. I haven't labelled them, but this is how I store them. It's not how you get them. But yeah, I hope to be back with, well, I'm still trying to catch up with everything, so forgive me. But I will hopefully be back. I'll try and use what's relevant. So like these are Eastery sort of things, and try and get some Easter cards and that kind of thing up and running as soon as I can. Yeah. Between flu and life, things got a bit manic. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. I will be back, like I say, with some cards and projects and things. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with all these things that I need to catch up on, but I will be back, and I will see you soon. So bye for now.